Ready?
Oh, I buy some things. Me have things that sell out. Me have pants, me have clothes. So you say, you want to see my bag? My bag and what me have behind up. So me have all type of things. You know, buy nothing for your girl.
Most man pretty many and things.
We search about it.
What is the problem, officer?
We search about it.
And
Some things are going on. Nah, man. This much job missed last night. No, you have to go to the station. Come.
well, yeah, problem with the officer.
Come.
Problems with the officer.
Officer, look one. Can you take care of this business for me, please? The man take for the man long john last night.
Problem in my back. See it here. You miss no land in the field. Look, you know, cause you have no man in your yard for it, so I'm foreign the people send me things from. This look like Big John one officer. You have a problem with selling our. I don't like Mrs. Seller.
Hey, what problem with the size, man?
Then that's why I'm going to tell Seller none of them size don't talk about.
Mr. Big Graphic.
That way big on you. How if you come in your house come thief your things? And you sell it on the street. Look how you big.
How much size this man?
No sir, you don't see this big.
Pull up pants, man. I can't go to the station and pull up pants, man. Face.
Alright officer, see me well permit up there.
Come on, nice there.
So where you go with the pants? Are you up here for your teeth?
Come on, nice there.
Are you on the teeth, you know man? So where pants here? Why, look like me blind. The police here on the ramp with teeth. Oh, you just a look and say, that good? So where you there, pan? Oh, you there pan nothing? And I go get the pan. You must see in that sky. Alright. So, Mr. When I walk up to my lawyer, I make sure my lawyer present. Because I know how I'm wearing on my back, you know. Me come here with 3 skirts. Because it was summer. And the girl never have hot. And the officer tell me, say, they don't know say we are skirts. But here, team mister. One good thing, so we don't carry the polo shop them. I wonder where you. So, what you say about the pants where you take from me, sir?
Me? I'm taking a pants for you, man.
Alright, I go and get a lawyer and come back.
And you know look good for the video?
Inspector. Let me see if Mr. lawyer around there, because he look like him. Musiga. You lying there, young man.
See me right there.
Mr. Perkins.
See me right there.
Oh, Mr. Perkins, sometimes I get foggy, you know.
You sure say foggy?
Yes, sir. Come here, sir. I come to report.
That's why me ask.
Okay, I come to report something about it.
You come to report something, what kind
Yeah.
of something you come?
Me need you to work on a case now.
Work on a case, yo.
Yeah.
What kind of brief, big size, large size, what kind of case?
Alright, here the case what you're going to work on.
Yeah.
One policeman see me and tell me things, say, my mother came from foreign to me.
Yeah.
Alright, me go so bam, he say he want a search.
You want a search?
Yeah, so me get me show him then I say, then I come with.
And them you come with?
Yeah, in the back.
Yeah.
From foreign airport.
Yeah.
But you me can't fly a plane, I mean on a boat. me know say a foreign then come from. See me them and say, then see me like that.
Why me not sure where the spirit I come from thing, you know, cause my nose now go there, you know. So
Alright. But I don't know what kind of jive tights then mini.
I know many them,
Yeah. Alright. You know, since you have summer now, no woman now wear no hot skirt, they have short skirt. Mini. See, summertime. Alright. First thing when you say to me, give him a search. The only thing the boy and take out of the back, the police boy. The boy they don't like me, you know. Well, I don't say the boy don't like me.
Yeah.
Because the boy see me with a girl talking and the boy say, you can't parrot thief, catty come here. So me make sure no say, I am the thief. Me come with skirt, a 3 skirt me come here with. I want pretty skirt.
3.
3. Then how you
How
look
much
like?
is?
That I want 2. You have one back of you man. Now you
You're
have
sure?
one. Then you have
You're
one.
sure?
That's why they say, you know, woodland to doctors and lawyers. So, one thing we have to say.
Which skirt me have back at me, sir? See your skirt them there, so.
Sometimes I tell you something I get foggy in a building.
You sure say you're foggy, sir?
So me look on the go-go baggy them man. Too much. I know say the boy take away the pants.
I think I see two in here,
You think say the boy
I see two in here,
Me say you can't sit on me there. Me say the boy take away the pants. The police boy.
You take out the pants?
Yeah, so
Which
I'm
pants?
on them on the like coat. Instead of become a coat. See someone tell give me. And when you come in that, just tell me what you do. You work for me, Mr. Perkins. I know what you need to go on, Mr. Perkins, because I can't take this thing, you know. You have 4 hungry picnic to feed. And the boy rub me back, take away the pants. And I best sit in take out the pants, you know. I pants, you know. It's here is something.
Hold on. The best thing you take out are the pants.
Are the pants?